In this class, we will talk about arithmetical operators. For suppose I'm coming here in class, and in source class, I create new folder. I said that 3 class, and now I'm coming here and copy code from here and coming back here in 3 class, paste it right here and open it as a class 3. Okay, now at this time I just add a project folder and open it. Now I am here in project folder 2 and open this file and close this file and this file and open this. Okay, now I call a variable, declare it with a sign, and I want to initialize a variable with value 1. I also create another variable name b and also initialize it with a value. Now I want to call number 3 variable and store the value of a and b in here. Now at this time I just call document dot write simply the best. I call C here and saved it. It means that I perform arithmetical operator as a increment or as a addition. Okay, for addition we have a sign of plus. Now I'm coming here and open a class 3 file, and there is no any result is displaying here because I haven't saved a file. That is why no result coming up. Keep remember, you must have to save a file. You see here is a result of addition file. If I want to add 100 and 200, it shows me 300. Okay, so now if I want to use a multiplication operator, we have for multiplication is a star sign. Okay, now I just say this 3 into 2 equals 6. Alright, coming here is the output. If I want to zoom up, okay, it shows me 6. I'm coming on atom and I want to minus from 3 to 2. Here I coming here. If you minus, keep remember, if you get any error, your result won't be showed up on a web browser. A value displayed is a 0 or 1. Now I want to divide. For suppose I divide 10 into 2, that is why I have a /1 divide. I saved a file and coming back here, and answer is 5. Plus, minus, multiplication and division, these all are arithmetical operators. That how it is used in JavaScript. We have covered this topic in this class. Okay, so keep in mind that these arithmetical operators are performing one of the great role in programming language. For suppose if you develop a web application and where you need some value to be increased, so you use plus sign. Or suppose of salary of a student, I want to say that increase the salary of a student with 10%. So in the record we just add, it means that we just use additional operator to increase the value of the salary of an employee with percentage of 10%, for suppose 2% or 3%. So we use additional operators. For suppose a employee, a teacher, um, he uh, he will not comes. For suppose a teacher, we give a salary of 30 days to a teacher, for suppose, and he he get leaves of 2 days or 3 days or 5 days. So we decrease, we minus the salary of an employee, we use subtractive operative, subscription of subtract operators. Okay. For suppose division, we have many um customers, and we want to share our product with them, and if we want to divide a product with some people, or if you want to divide food with them, we need to have division operators. Okay. So same like that, it is depend on logic of the program, what kind of program you are creating. That is why we need to add arithmetical operators, just like addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication. All right. I hope you understand how to use these operators. Okay. Have a good luck. Bye.